Good morning, children. Today we are starting with a maths class. You all know counting. Again we are doing the revision of the counting. So you all are asked to count with me. Please count with me. How many beads can you see on the screen? 1. How many beads? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many beads can you see on the screen? 10 beads you can see. How many beads can you see on the screen? 10 beads. Now you can see there are many set of beads. So how many set of 10 beads? In each set 10 beads are there. In each set how many beads are there? 10 beads are there. So this is 1 tens. This is 2 tens. 3 tens. 4 tens. 5 tens. 6 tens. 7 tens. 8 tens. 9 tens. 10 sets of beads. 10 tens. When there are 10 tens, we can also say 100. 10 tens are called, 10 tens says 100. How many number of beads are there? 100. Each here 100 beads. This is 100. This is 200. This is 300. So here it is 100. When 200 will be, we will just write 200, 200s. Here it is 300. This is how we write 100. 100, 200, 300. We have learned the counting. Now let's know the number names. 100, 100. How we write 100? One spelling everybody knows. You are big enough. 1. Now 100. Hundred. 100. Let's write 200. Just we will write the spelling of 2. 200. 100. Hundred. 100. 200. This is how we will write 300, 400, 500. And if it is given 101, we will write 1 or no, a 100. I already told her 100. Is draw it 100. Then we will write and. What should we write? And 100 and then 1. If it is 102, we will write 100 and. After 100, what we will write? And then 1. If it is 2, 102. If it is 103, we will write 103. This is how we will write the number names of the 100 places. Thank you.